Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about concurrent modification exception. So to understand this, I have written one program. So in that program, I have created the employee list, okay, and in that employee list, I have added 5 employees. Now after line number 16, we are iterating the employee through the employee list, okay. And at the line number 20, I added one if condition. If employee name equals to emp1, then I am trying to remove that employee from the employee list. And at line number 25, I have printed all the employee list. Now try to run this program. Now in the output, you can see concurrent modification exception has occurred. So how we can avoid this error? So in iterator, we have one method, that is iterator dot remove. Through this method, we can avoid this exception. Let's try to run. Now you can see in the final output, employee 1 is not printed. That means it is removed from the employee list. So like this, we can avoid the concurrent modification exception. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.